Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Brief Solutions. Viewers, please subscribe my channel. Today we will talk about the coronavirus vaccine, whether or not the coronavirus vaccine has been prepared, and whether the scientists have managed to make it or not. And is there any medicine for the treatment of coronavirus or not? But before further discussion, I would like to introduce you the word vaccine. So, vaccine actually is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe. Its toxins are one of its surface proteins. The agent stimulates the body's immune system to recognize the agent as a threat, destroy it, and to further recognize and destroy any of the microorganisms associated with the agent that it may encounter in the future. So by vaccination, the individuals who got vaccinated get protected. So to make the coronavirus vaccine, I will mention some companies who are dealing with this. The first one is Sanofi, and the second one is GSK. Sanofi is using existing technology that was designed for influenza, and they are applying it to the new virus that causes COVID-19 disease. And on the other hand, the GSK is using its innovative vaccine adjuvant technology. The use of an adjuvant is of particular importance in a pandemic situation, since it may reduce the amount of vaccine protein required per dose, allowing more vaccine doses to be produced and therefore contributing to protecting more people. Recently, GSK and Sanofi has joined their forces, bringing together two of the world's largest vaccine companies in an unprecedented collaboration to fight COVID-19. The two companies will combine innovative technologies to develop an adjuvanted COVID-19 vaccine, which is expected to enter clinical trials in the second half of 2020, and if successful and subject to regulatory considerations, aim to complete the development required for availability by the second half of 2021. This would be a significantly faster timeline than for normal vaccine development, and teams from both companies are starting work together urgently. One of the important parts of this collaboration is their combined scale. Both companies bring significant manufacturing capacity, and whilst they have a lot of work to do, given this is at an early stage of development, they believe that if successful, they will be able to make hundreds of millions of doses annually by the end of next year. Both GSK and Sanofi have a long history of making their vaccine available to people all around the world, and they are committed to making any vaccine that is developed through this collaboration affordable and through mechanisms that offer fair access for all people. And among the labs, third one is Walter Reed Army Institute of Research, which has previously studied other infectious diseases such as HIV or AIDS, Ebola, and MERS. By March 18, tests had begun with dozens of volunteers in Seattle, Washington, which was sponsored by the US government. Similar safety trials of other coronavirus vaccines will begin soon in the US. Trials are also underway in China and Europe. This search for a vaccine has taken on aspects of national security and global competition. Now come to the drugs that were helpful during the COVID-19 challenge. So among the potential drugs, there are chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine, which have been successfully used to treat malaria. However, they have never undergone properly designed clinical trials for the treatment of the coronavirus. And the one study reporting positive results was in small, non-randomized group of patients and was published on YouTube rather than a peer-reviewed journal. In March, it was reported that hydroxychloroquine was one of 4 treatments being tested in European Union-wide clinical trial. It was also being used by some US physicians under the compassionate use approval of the FDA or as an off-label prescription while trials and analyses are still ongoing. Initially, the result was encouraging, but later on, in a report of study involving 368 patients in the Veterans Administration system found that hydroxychloroquine provided no benefit. And in fact, there were more deaths amongst the groups that received it compared to those receiving any standard treatment. On April 24, the FDA warned the hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine have been linked with serious heart rhythm problems, especially when paired with the antibiotic azithromycin. They advised that it only be used in a hospital setting. So now we will talk about another antiviral drug, remdesivir, that was developed to fight Ebola. And in addition, the antibody rheumatoid arthritis treatment sarilumab is being tested in clinical trials in the hopes that suppressing some aspects of the immune response can help improve lung function patients who require supplemental oxygen. Hence, there is no proper treatment and vaccine is available yet. Research is in process. So viewers, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Brief Solutions and hit the bell icon to find more informative videos as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.